This is how to sign a PDF document in DocHub. To begin, open your document in DocHub. From the toolbar, select Sign and then click Create Signature. Draw your signature with a mouse or a trackpad. Upload an image of your handwritten signature, or type your name using the font you prefer. You can also use your phone as a touchpad. Once created, add your signature anywhere on the document. DocHub allows you to easily manage signatures. From the toolbar, select Sign and click Manage Signatures. You can delete signatures, add a new one, or set any signature as default. You can use the default signature to sign future documents with a single click.